My to be writers. So I wanted to just talk to you for a couple of minutes about the things that we're going to see in your book review that you're writing today. You've chosen your book, and we've spent some days talking about what needs to be in your review. So I'm going to read this for you. This has not been posted yet, so that's why it looks different than normal. So you're going to, in your book review, you're going to start it off with a really short summary of the book. And you do not want to tell the readers how the story ends, because then that would ruin it and they're not going to want to read it, right? So you're leaving off that last part of your graphic organizer that says then, okay? And then you're going to tell them what you liked about the story. And then the last, how you're going to end it, is you're going to include, hey, readers who love to laugh should read this book. Or if you love adventures, check this book out at the library. Okay, so those are three things that you must have in a book review, in a good book review. Okay, and you always want to write in complete sentences, use your transition words, and obviously capitals and periods. So I just wanted to show you a couple of them from Spaghetti Book Club. Okay. This one was on I Spy Fly Guy. So in the book I Spy Fly Guy, a fly named Fly Guy gets stuck in a garbage can and plays hide and seek. He ends up in the garbage truck. Okay, so they go on to summarize the book, and then look what this writer did. What will they do? Will they find Fly Guy, read the book to find more? So they're not including the ending of the story, and that's what you want to do. Okay. The second part is about what RC liked about the book. And then the third part says, I recommend this to children in kindergarten to third grade. Okay. So that was a really good one that I liked. Okay. The next one was Billy Goats and Gruff, which we've read this story. Again, there's a summary, and the writer, Helen, she didn't tell what happens in the end. She said, read to find out. Second part is what they liked. Third part is first graders would love this because it's funny. Okay. I wanted to just point out this last one because this is something that you do not want to do. Okay. So I'm kind of giving you a heads up. So you'll notice this is the summary, this is what they liked, and this is who they recommend is or would like the book. But look at what, I'm not sure if that's a boy or a girl, Sims. Look at what they did. At the end, she died. So you don't want to tell them the ending. So this is an example of something not to do. Okay. Now, otherwise, oh, it was Melissa. So otherwise, it's a great review, but this is something that you really want to make sure you do not do. Okay. This obviously is such a great book. Okay. But for the encouragement of the reader, you do not want to tell what happened, because then they'll say, oh, look, here's the whole book here. Okay. I don't need to read it. Okay. So avoid this. And those were two other examples, the first two that were really great.